Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make mutton curry in my style. For this I have taken spices, one bay leaf, a little bit of cumin powder, peppercorns and cardamom, clove and long. I have washed half kg of mutton and kept it aside. And very few ingredients is required: 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 tomato finely chopped, 1 onion finely chopped, and few potatoes because I like potatoes having in my curry, so I have added. This is optional. If you want to use, you can, or else you can skip this off. So now let's get started how to prepare this simple mutton curry. So as you can see, I have lit the gas and I have placed the pan. So for this curry, I would use mustard oil. So 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. So as you can see, I'm pouring because I know how much quantity I need for my mutton curry. But for the beginners, you can take 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. So heat this oil properly and then add the spices. So you can see the bay leaves and the cumin, peppercorns and cardamom, cloves I have put, and this is little bit fried now. So now it's time for me to add the other ingredients. So onions, which I have showed you in the beginning of my video, one onion which I've finely chopped. Now I'll wait till it gets golden fried, and once it is nice and golden, I'll add the other ingredients here. So now I'm adding the ginger garlic paste here, followed by the other ingredients like tomatoes. I'll be adding the tomatoes which I've cut and kept aside. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of jeera powder. And then I'll add some coriander, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. And then I'll add little turmeric, half teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. And now give it a stir till it fries little bit in light goldenish in color. Add salt according to your taste. So I have added 2.5 teaspoons of salt, and now I'm adding the potatoes. So I'll give it a little stir after adding this potato, and then I'll add the water. So I'm adding 2 glass of water in this pan. So you can add water based on your preference. If you want more gravy, you can add a little bit more, half a glass of water more in this. So now it's done. So I'm covering the lid and I'll allow it to cook for 20 minutes. So 20 minutes is over. Now let's serve this curry in a bowl, and it's ready to be served. And you can eat this with white rice. It really tastes fantastic. Please do try at home and do share your comments. If you like my video, do give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed this, and you all have a good day. See you soon on my next video.